Hello there and welcome back to our plot. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny evening. I will be giving you an update on how I did my carrots and the little method that I use. It may be useful to you guys, but it works for me, so I keep to it that way. Just a quick peruse around the allotment. As you can see, the rhubarb, I've had 3 lots of pickings off it as gone crackers. And we'll have a quick look at the salad bar that the wife put in the other night. There's my carrots. You can't see them through the netting, but we'll soon sort that. Let's have a look and show you these. There we go. There we are. They've all stood up nicely. They have. Not better. They were a bit flattened after the wife gave them a bit of a water. But they're coming on nicely. The sunshine this weekend. Broad beans are coming on absolutely fantastic. As you can see, they've got some flowers on them already. Oh, and the wife's put the little dragonfly in. Let's zoom in, just show you. There he is. Just to pretty things up a bit, I think. So let's go and see what temperature it is in the greenhouse it's been today. We have had the doors open. Excuse the noise. And it got up to 42 degrees in here. There we go, there's just a few of the things. Lettuce she planted on, the carrots, some more carrots I've got to put in. And the marigolds. More lettuces. Cucumber plants are coming on well. And that's the 3rd lot of peas. Everything's all coming on nicely. I won't bore you with everything in the greenhouse. We will be doing some work. Oh, the missus are going to get me doing some work, I should say, so I'll show you what I've done later. Oh yeah, today the missus has got me putting in the carrots. Those little containers, the plastic cups that she used for the carrots, she's told me there's just over 100 in each one. I think I'm going to be doing the carrots for a long time. What I've done, I've separated them, or she separated them I should say, as I'm getting the looks, and as you can see, the roots on them are absolutely fantastic. They are absolutely brilliant. So what I've been doing, I've dug a small trench, I've got some sieved compost, and what I've been using is our metal bar. I plunge a hole into the soil. I get the carrot by the leaf, not by the stem, because otherwise if you damage the stem it won't grow back. A leaf will grow back. I slowly put it in the hole so it's down, then I bring it back up so the roots are straight, get some compost and fill it up, and that's it then. It's done. Gently put the soil back over it. As you can see, there's the compost there and that's the soil. All I do is just gently move it back so it covers the compost and keeps it nice and moist, ready for watering once I've finished the rows. That'll hopefully help you. It's one way of keeping the carrots straight, I think. There are other ways of using sand and stuff like that, but we find growing them in the ground is okay for us and we're happy. Speak to you again. Bye. Right, just an update on these. These are our brassicas. We put them out in the cage now to harden off because it's going to get warmer over the next few days, hopefully. We have got cabbage, red cabbage, cauliflowers and sprouts. So they'll just get acclimatised, ready to be planted. See you soon.
Okay, so today thought I'd plant up the salad bar, as I call it. On the end, on the left hand side, we've got our warpath lettuce. Next that, the Apache spring onions.
Ending on the plot.
Then we've got the iceberg lettuce. Then we've got the purpleette spring onions, another row of iceberg lettuce, feast spring onions, then we go into the radishes, and we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 lots of radishes, and then on the very end we've got some little gem lettuces,
which look a bit droopy at the moment because you watered them and flattened them, but they'll
yeah,
soon
they'll
perk up.
soon perk up.
Yeah, so what's the salad bar done? Yeah?
Yep, salad bar's all done. I'll start doing some more seed sowing for the successional sowing.
Brilliant. That's it for today. We're signing off. Speak to you soon.
Signing off.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, just thought I'd show you the dahlias. They're nicely sat in the sunshine at the moment. I've taken them out of the cold frame. Just thought I'd give them a little bit of sunshine. As you can see, they're doing really well. They've come on really grand. So hopefully we'll be able to put them out soon. We all know May. We've had this bank holiday weekend. It's been a glorious day today, but we can always get these frosts. So at the moment they're coming out in the daytime, and then we're putting them back in the cold frame at the moment. But yeah, so far so good. All looking really good. Okay for now. Bye.
Oh yeah, as you can see, we're going to be putting in our Swiss chard. There's a fair few there. That's going to keep me busy for a while. What we've done, we've got a piece of wood, trusty piece of wood, made a trench, wiggled it around a bit, got another, the trowel, basically one trowel length apart, done another trench, wiggle it round, watered it, and just going to start putting the Swiss chard in. Mrs. hasn't told me how far apart she wants them, so you'll have her saying, you're not doing that right in a minute. So let's get the first one in. Soil around him. How far, John? One trowel? Another trowel? Trowel distance? Okay. That piece of wood's bleeding hard. We've got some already plucked out ready. Just pop them in nicely. I'll just make my holes as along. You have to have these a good fair distance apart because they grow rather big, this old Swiss chard. So that'll do nicely. Get those in, and once they're in, give them another good water, and let them do their own thing. I'll speak to you later when I've finished. Bye for now.
Yep.
Right, we've put some plants in now. It's been nice to get this on a 7:25 on a Saturday evening. The first lot are Bright Lights Swiss chard, which I think we put 4 rows in. Was that right, Jan?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4. The next one's Swiss chard again. What's that say?
Loose.
We'll let the viewers tell us what that is. Well, how many rows did we put into that, Jan? 1, 2,
3.
3 rows. 3 rows. There we go. I got this one. This is easy. This is Beetroot Pablo F1s, and we put 1, 2, 3 rows of this.
4.
4 rows. 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
Oh no, 3 rows. Sorry.
1, 2, 3 rows. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the next one was beetroot again, which was rainbow beetroot, which was that one. And the next one was beetroot yet again, which is Bolt Hardy. So we've got 3 lots of beetroot in there on this beautiful sunny Saturday evening. I'm worn out because it's still warm. I'm going to go home, have a nice beer. Missus, we're going to have a nice tea. We'll keep you updated. We'll put this one on shortly. And that's it. Bye from me. Bye from the missus.
Bye bye.
Bye for now.
Okay, I just thought I'd bring you down to have a look at our lovely little apple tree. It's a Bramley apple tree. It's only been in for the second year actually. Obviously the first year it didn't do much, but this year the blossom it's given us this year is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. It's only a small tree, it'll only stay as a small tree. In fact, just double check on the label. I'm sure that the height of this 2.5 metres, so not too bad at all really. Perfect for the allotment. But as you can see, the blossom is absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful evening this evening. Let's show you on this side. So it looks absolutely stunning in the sunlight. The good evening sunlight. It's like 7:30 tonight now, and it looks absolutely beautiful at the moment. Absolutely. And if I don't know if you can remember, but Mike was saying about the tree bands that we've put on, but there's one on both the tree stake and on the tree itself, which is to stop the insects from climbing up. And as you can see, there are insects on there and it's stopping them from going up onto the tree, which is absolutely brilliant, which is why we've got this beautiful blossom. So it is doing a fabulous job. So hopefully we should get some lovely fruits. Obviously, well, the last thing we want is to have a frost in late May or mid-May. So as you can hear the birds in the background chirping away, it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening. So I will leave you with that lovely, lovely image, and we'll speak to you soon. So thank you very much for watching. Love the comments, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you very much. Bye.